Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Education related different kinds of things available, different kinds of designs are available. When you log in your account and go to education, here you can see that education presentation which we have already discussed in the previous videos. Education videos, when you click on it, different kinds of education videos opens up and you can change, edit those videos, as we have already discussed how to edit a video in the previous videos. You can now easily edit a video and change its material, its content, its voice, and can create a video of your own choice. So different kinds of videos available here. For example, this is a video related to education and many more videos. You can just see and check out that how these videos work. It is now opening. I open a video and show you the way that how you can change, how you can edit a video. This is a video related to education and you can easily edit this video and make a video of your own choice. Here you can see that this is a very important video. It will take some time as it is a large video, and look at this. Such kind of videos are very useful to present your data on special occasions. In this way, look at this. You can present your data in the same way. This is a very good video and you can change its voice, its everything. For example, if you want to add an audio into this video, you can take the audio from audio list, click here on the left of this and pick a song and drag it down here. When you start this video again, it will use the audio also. It is a longer video, so it will take some time and create a video with a audio of your own choice. You can also create audio. You can also create voiceover. When you click on uploads, go to record yourself and click on record yourself. You can press this record button, and when you click on it, it will record your voice. Hello, assalamu alaikum, how are you? When you click on save and exit, it will save your recorded voice. It is starting now. Hello, how are you? What are you doing? Are you okay? Everything is fine. Click on done. It is now completed. And you can use this sound into your video. Hello, how are you? What are you doing? Are you okay? Everything is fine. Everything is included. I have included a audio and my own video in this video, so this is very important. You can do it in the same way. We are moving to the other features. And you go to the here, you can see that there are infographics related to education. Different kinds of infographics. You can present your data on these infographics, these cards, longer cards. You can stepwise present your data. And this is very important feature. English literature, when you click on it, customize this template, and you can write here data of your own choice. You can see when you zoom it out that these are the infographics on which you can put your information for your record, for your learning, for your educational purpose. And in a similar way, education whiteboard, we have already discussed the whiteboards, how it works. These are different kinds of whiteboards, and you can use it for your educational purpose. Classroom posters, there are different kinds of classroom posters. You can create this kind of posters and hang in your class to present different kinds of information. Worksheets are also available. When you click on worksheet, different kinds of worksheets open in front of you, and you can make changes to create worksheets of your own choice, of your own demand. And flashcards, when you click on flashcards, different kinds of flashcards are available here. You can change the data in the similar way as we have changed the data in the previous videos. These are the flashcards. You click on it and change it. Storyboard, different kinds of storyboards are available. You can record a story of your own choice and present your data on the storyboard. Comic strip, these are the comic strips. Different kinds of comic strips are available. You can present your data using these kinds of strips, and these are very common to use. Group work, how you can represent your data in the group work. When you have group activity, you can represent your data in this kind of group work worksheets. These are the worksheets for your group work. The similar way, classroom newsletter. You can also create classroom newsletters of different kinds, different shapes. These are the different kinds of classroom newsletters, and you can change these letter to create letter of your own choice. Yes, here it is now open, and you can see that. You can zoom it out to see its details. This is a classroom newsletter. You can change its data, its images, everything. And last thing that we want to discuss was school newsletter. Like, one thing is classroom newsletter and other thing is school newsletter. So this is the school newsletter, and you can change it according to your demand and create the school letter to sell it out to your client in the online marketplaces to earn money. So these are very important features. You can see that these are the letters that represent the classroom letters, newsletters, and many things. So you can create this kind of letters of your own choice. Thank you so much for watching this video.